Hi guys, today I'm going to be teaching how to do these questions in, second grade math. So, in a unit test, add. Hint, use the place value box to help solve 28 plus 51. And the trick is, use these. So, first of all, you have 10, 20, and then 1, 2, 3, 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have 28 here. And then you have 51. So if you add this over here, like that, put it here, then that would be a total of 29. And once you have 29, you add 50 plus 20, and 50 plus 20, it's 70. So the answer is 79. And for some reason, my thing isn't working, so yeah. So yeah, I got it correct. Also, which equation represents the following number line? So it's 78 minus 50 minus 4. So is that equals 28? Nope, because 28 is before the 4 goes away. And then it could be this, but nope. So the answer has to be that. A pet rescued 87 animals. 41 animals are dogs, and 32 are cats. The rest of the animals are rabbits. How many rabbits does the pet rescue have? So basically, 41 plus 32 equals 73, right? And then since you have 73, and 73 plus 14 equals 87, so the answer is 14. Which expression could be used to find the value of 12 plus 48? So there's 110. The first one has 110, which could be used as part of 12, and then 2 10s, which could be used for the 8, and then 8 1s, which is kind of nowhere here, and 4 1s, which is at the 8. So this can't be wrong. This has to be wrong because the 8 is nowhere. And the 110 could be that. The 8 10s could be that. The 8 10s could be 80, and the 110 could be the 10. And then you have 2 1s for the 12, and then 4 1s for the 84. So this has to be the answer. And of course this is wrong because 12 times is 112. So also, guess what? We're already on page 5. So we still have to do 8 more questions. Okay, so select any strategy that can be used to add 35 plus 15. Add 35, then add 5, then add 10. That's also a pretty good strategy. But this is also a strategy because, look, it's a 30 here. So if you take the 5 and put it at the 15, and that turns into 20, and 30 plus 20 equals the answer. So yeah, that's both of them are right. A, B. The Dallas Cowboys had 13 points at halftime. Then the Cowboys scored 14 more points in the third quarter and 21 more points in the fourth quarter. Which number shows how many total points the Cowboys scored in the game? So we first start off with 13 plus 14 equals 27. Then another 21 equals question mark. But then this is wrong. So this has to be the right answer. But then here comes the real challenge. 13 plus 14 plus 21. So they kind of give us a hint here, so it's 27 plus 21. But the answer is actually 48. Well, for some reason this didn't get an answer, but if you want, you can actually see how they answer the question. Is basically just a hint. So yeah, you can just check out how to do it at the end too. But which equation can be solved with the following number? So it's 30. So 44 plus 30. And then these are all 9s here, so because it's just 39. But so 44 plus 39 equals 74. So this is wrong and this is wrong, and basically both of them are wrong. So there's only one answer, and 74 is there, so it's correct. Nope, right? Why? Oh, don't mind that sound. It was just like, something weird. Why is it wrong? That could be your question for me. So, do you know why I chose 74? To trick you guys. Because the real thing why I chose 74 is to trick you, because it's 30 equals 74. So that's why the answer is actually not actually, it might be this, but it actually isn't. It's actually this. You ask me why I thought that? Because it can't be that, bro. You just can't. I don't know why. Rob read 74 books. No, 74, 71. Rob read 71 books for the bookworm contest, or what? Well, anyways, he read for the bookworm contest. His brother Matt read 36 fewer books than Rob. How many books did Matt read? So we all know 70 minus 30 equals 40, and then 6 minus 1, 1 minus 6 equals, you can't do that. So let's say it's 71 minus 36, then we go on to the answer being in the 30s, right? And maybe you got it right, maybe you got it wrong, but it's actually right. Yep. You guys got it wrong, I think. Well, I don't even necessarily call you guys all got it wrong. I also did that just to trick, check, bada boom, you. Check, bada boom, you. Wait, one sec, I'll come back. Okay, guys, I came back. It's 35. So, complete to solve the 42 plus 28. So here you go. So it's actually 2, because look, there's 42 here, but 40 here, so it's 2, and the same goes in here, so it's 2 again. 2. And then 40 plus these 2 equals 30. So 40 plus 30 equals 70. So at the end, you guys can find the answer as 70. Boop, boop. And I got 2 wrong just because of you. Nope, because I'm a trick ya. Not because of you guys. You guys are actually my fans. Well, yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe at the end of the video. Just telling you. Okay, let's start off with this question. What number makes this equation true? Question mark. Hint, use the place where you blocked help. So, it's what minus 24 equals 43? So it has to be more than 43 because I have to take away 24. So let's see. 40 plus 20 equals a total of 60. And then 4 minus 3 equals, so the answer is 59. Wrong. Which means, just again, it's this. Wrong. If you want, I could give you a hint, so, well, I gotta go by again, so let me just go down for you guys. I'm just gonna skip the hints. 6, 7. So, yep. Get the answer. Got it right. Nope, I actually got it wrong for you. Then what? 36 vanilla cupcake and 49 chocolate cupcakes with school bakes. So, wait, I gotta go away for a second real quick. So I should be about my last time. Okay, get back. Mama Chipmunk had some acorns. Her baby ate 34 of the acorns. Then there were 18 acorns left. So she first started off with 34. So, well, not that. Well, let's add 34 and 18. So 34 plus 18 equals a total of 52. So there were 52 acorns. Well, 52 acorns left, not 25. So and also I'm doing a unit test, so it's, I lost so many points. Just kidding, I'm not gonna go. So I can just regain it in 3 more unit tests. Oh well. 6, so let's use this. So take 3 away from this. Bye. And then take what? You know what? This one I don't feel like teaching, so I'm just gonna. What should I do? I'll help you guys out in this right answer. Okay. 30. Just kidding. 23. I finished the unit test and I went down 3 whole scales. No change on scales. 10 out. Well, hope you guys like